Northwest over the wall now.
They have another. Dep again.
Come back. Nice try, boys. Come back. Kiss double is inside.
Defend.
Kiss double is inside. There's a blood letter inside.
Meron pa sa Southwest Clamper.
Copy. Yep. Copy.
Mamimili bam lang.
Copy.
Focus this one, guys.
Just keep bashing. Only 3 people can bash. So
D8 focus this one.
hold. They're about to look, okay? We're going to headbutt
What
them.
should I do?
They're
Land?
looking now. That's fake. That's cancelled.
Northwest, deep northwest. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Think back pass. Nice try. Kiss double is inside.
Dep.
Defensive.
Oh, that's fake.
Fake yun. Looking sila sa akin.
Ayun na, Dep na.
Cycle on me, please.
Nice. Thanks, numbers.
Get ready, hold. Fake ako sa may northwest.
Siya malayo.
Nice try. Ready. Deep northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back fast. Nice try.
You can focus this guy.
Yeah, sure. Kiss double is inside. Keep kidnapping him if you can, okay? Kidnap him if you
Careful
can.
front malayo yung supports nyo.
Come back now. Just
Looking now.
Hold. Keep bashing.
Not yet.
Fake.
Reaching up now.
Fake.
Reaching up now.
Get ready. Skull mark southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, boys. Where's my realm?
Dep. This real.
Cycle. I mean, cycle cooldowns on me fast. Nice defensive space. Good job. Doing good.
Wait, what should I do? I think he remains over the wall.
Yeah, do we have D-Tank Southwest?
Can't do anything.
Wait.
Wala tayong D-Tank Southwest. Pag nag-click through to, GG tayo.
Copy. Wait, let me see. Kulang tayo sa D-Tank eh.
Puro nagbabash ng gate.
Yep. Get ready.
Pwede nyo babash sa akin.
Nakatambay Behemoth Southwest. Wala silang battle.
Ready. Skull mark southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back.
Careful front. Looking front.
Reaching up. Dep now. That's real.
Nicely done, boys. Heal up. Heal Ryzen. DA16 now. They have DA16, okay?
Sino madami?
Yep. Just hold. Ready. Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice kill.
Do that.
Delikado. Dep. Sabi ko na, delikado.
Nice defensive space. Kiss double is. Hold. Get ready. Fake northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake! Oh my god. Who's that spirit hunter?
Sorry.
One D-Tank outside. One D-Tank na on your north.
Copy.
3 seconds. Ready now.
Yeah, sure. Wait.
Start ko to, pwede.
They're looking.
Hold.
Fake.
Fake.
Ready. Northwest now. Over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep.
Almost.
Nice try.
Almost.
No, nice. We got
Dep.
Nicely
We got him.
Nicely done. Good job.
Pag nag-engage sila, may west side na infernal side.
Copy.
Yung west side, binabap ko na.
Thank you. Just keep bashing. Ready. Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost.
Reaching up.
Dep.
Pull.
And
Nice.
And engage inside. Next engage.
Kill me.
Patayin natin yung blood letter.
Heal Ryzen.
May cleric pa yun So you might.
Kill me.
Pakil lang ng mga mobs dito sa
Saan yung mobs?
Ito sa north. Ito. Sa wall.
Northwest over the wall. Yeah, copy. Get ready on the wall. Just on the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the wall. We'll keep hitting walls, okay?
Inching up.
Cycle.
Dep. That's real.
Yeah, nice kidnap. Ready on the skull mark. Hold. Never mind. Gig pats. Come back.
Gig
Ready.
14%, 14%.
Northwest over the wall again on the mobs. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the mobs.
14%.
Copy.
5%, 5%. 3, 2, 1. Broken.
Nicely done. Just hold. Hold. Kiss doubles inside. The mobs. Kill the mobs. Kiss doubles. Inch up a little bit Ditangs, okay? We'll just keep clearing the mobs for now. Kiss doubles on the mobs.
DFK. I don't know what they're doing.
Get ready.
Inching up now.
Fake.
Get ready.
Stop.
Hold.
Fake.
Everything on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, fuck.
Looking now.
They're trying to engage.
Engaging.
No damage. Chill.
Nicely done. Cycle
Blocked
cool.
Na-interrupt ako.
Get ready.
I'll reset this Janela. 1 bar.
Copy. Wait lang
I'll fill your mana first.
Then I'll west over the wall. West
Copy.
over the wall mo. Sa north side. Pwede ako
Northwest.
mag-pull.
Copy.
Then
Deep
north ka.
northwest.
Atong sa
Look at
atong
the
sa
front.
wall na to. Dito ako sa north ko. Sa
Okay,
baba.
copy.
Gets.
Copy. Look at the crown. Northwest of the crown. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice try. Come back.
Inching up.
G8.
They're inching up. I'm holding.
Nicely done. Cycle cooldowns on me. Hold them on the choke.
They're trying to engage. They're engaging now.
Hold them on the choke. Get ready. Everything on the choke, ha? Come walk in.
Ready.
On the choke. Everything on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke.
Nice.
Then come back fast. Heal up one
Need
hit.
heal.
Heal up one hit. Come inside.
Nag-usip ba kayo?
Trying to go out.
Osinaw, come inside. East side then south. South fast.
Ditang hold.
Yep. Ready. West wall. Get ready. West wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Nice hit, boys. Then come southwest fast. Move southwest fast. Southwest. Keep moving southwest. Heal up first. Keep moving southwest.
They're moving now.
Okay.
They're pushing.
Keep moving southwest.
Pushing.
Keep moving southwest, then northwest now. Southwest, then northwest now. Heal up. I need heals. Keep moving. Ready. Inside of us. Hold. Full defensive.
Engage.
Defensive. Ready. Everything on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Nicely done, boys. Then come northeast.
Need heal
Come northeast
badly.
fast. Come northeast, then northwest. Come northeast, then northwest.
Yun down.
Yep. We still have 3. Use
Oh my
double
God,
side.
tinawat ako sa...
Come southeast. Come southwest now.
Holding choke.
Yep, south. Pop defensive.
choke.
Get ready. On the choke now, northeast side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Then come back fast. Full kite. Now we full kite. Now we have to full kite.
I'm dead.
Try to out.
Nipit tayo ng